How to fix Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android and iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can fix the Microsoft Authenticator not working on Android and iPhone. So let's just get started with the video and fix that issue. For that, you can head over to the Play Store first, and first thing you can do is look for the app update. So go to the search bar first and search for Microsoft Authenticator from this section. And look for update if any kind of update is available for the app, and tap update if the update is available. The next thing is Microsoft Authenticator requires an internet connection to work, so make sure you're connected to an internet connection that is working properly so that you won't be having any issue while you're trying to use the app. Another thing is you can go ahead and clear the cache. You can go through the settings itself or go to the app through your home screen. Long press on it and go to the info section from here, and after that you'll be finding this screen. Scroll to the storage section and clear the cache, and also clear data if that doesn't work. Another thing is, if that doesn't work, you can try uninstalling the application itself. You can use this uninstall option and go ahead and reinstall it again. That can help you resolve the corrupted app files and configuration issues, and also ensure that the notifications for the application is allowed so that you can receive codes and alerts regarding the app. If none of the steps work, you can directly reach out to the Microsoft support for further assistance itself. But for now, these are the steps you can follow up. So I hope this video was helpful to you and it will help you fix your issues. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.